Welcome to Kryptonite. My name is Ife, and in this video I am going to show you how you can trade like a pro using a unified trading account. What I am about to show you in this video is mainly for professional traders, and it is not suitable for a beginner trader. The reason why I would like to use a unified trading account is because, for example, right now I am in two positions. As you can see right here, I am in a BTC position and also in an Ethereum position. And before I could open this position, I have to use two different accounts to put in my trades. When I choose to use a unified trading account, I can do all this in one account. So if I have BTC, Ethereum, and any other supported assets, I can open different positions all in one account. And this is very good because even if I have unrealized profit, I can also use this profit to open more positions using a unified trading account. Right now, I am going to briefly explain what this unified trading account is and how you can use this to better your trades. Right now, you are probably wondering what is a Bybit unified trading account? Well, this is an account mode that allows you as a trader to customize your trading experience, risk management, and account finances without having to switch between accounts. The reason why you should upgrade from your normal account to a unified trading account is because you can trade spots, margin, USDT and USDC perpetual. Also, you can trade USDC options with over 60 supported assets for cross margin trading. When you margin trade, you can use up to 5x leverage. You would also notice that when you've switched to a unified trading account, your unrealized profit can be used to open new positions. So there are various benefits when you decide to switch to a unified trading account. Right now, I will show you how to optimize your trading account and get a share of this 3000 USDT bonus. Now let's get started. This right here is my Bybit account and I am going to show you exactly how to make this upgrade. The first thing you would have to do is to create a sub account. The reason why I am going to create a sub account is because when you plan on switching from your normal account to a unified trading account, this process is irreversible. This is one of Bybit articles, and you can see that it is important to note that this upgrade to a unified trading account is irreversible, and you will not be able to revert your account settings after it is completed. So that's why I am going to use a sub account, because if you don't like the upgrade, you can easily continue with your main account or open another sub account. So this is why it is safe for you to actually use a sub account before totally upgrading in your main account. So right now I am going to show you the exact process of how you can do this. What you would have to do is to click on your profile icon right here, and the next step would be to go to the sub account section. You click on this. In this section, you can create a sub account, and that is exactly what I am going to do right now. I would click on create sub account. Now it would ask you if you want to create a standard sub account, a custom sub account, or a custodial trading sub account. For simplicity in this video, I am going to create a standard sub account. It would show you, do you want to create a standard account or a unified trading account? Right now, I am going to click on a unified trading account. I would have to select a username and click on confirm. Now you can see right here below this section that I have created a sub account, and if I want to fund this account, I can easily click on this section and transfer assets from my main account to this sub account. Let me quickly show you exactly how this works. You click on this transfer assets, and you can see that I am going to transfer from my main, and I am going to click on spot. Then I am going to transfer to this account, and I will click on unified trading. I would select the asset that I want to transfer, click on all right here, confirm transfer. And you can see that I have successfully transferred money from my main account to my sub account. And right now I can use this sub account to trade. I will click on account switch right here. Right now you can see that I have switched my account from my main to my sub account. So right now, I would click on the unified trading account and I would show you exactly how this works. What this is showing me is that all my assets have been automatically transferred to my new unified trading account, and I can use the same account for both derivatives and also for spot and margin trading. And you can see that this is my newly created unified trading account. If you look at the left hand section, you would see that there is no spot or margin trading. This is because all your previous accounts have been merged together in this unified trading account. And if you want to trade, you can go to any of these sections and place a trade using one account. For example, I'm going to show you exactly what I am talking about. If you look at my assets section right here, you would see that I have 500 USDT. Now, if I go to derivatives right here and I click on this USDC perpetual, this requires me to use USDC for me to be able to open a position. But I'm going to show you what would happen since I am using a unified trading account. I would click on this BTC perpetual. You can see that I don't have any USDC in my account, but when I go to the available balance, you would see that my USDT has been automatically converted into USDC. What this means is that I don't need to have USDC for me to be able to trade on this platform. And this unified trading account makes it easier without having the stress to transfer your funds from one account to another. So if you have funds anywhere on your Bybit exchange, you will be able to use that amount of money to open a position. Right now, I am going to show you how you can upgrade to a unified trading account on a main account. Once you are in your assets section, you can easily click on this upgrade now. It would upgrade my account directly. I would click on next. This would give you a prompt for you to answer a quiz. If I click on answer quiz right here, now I would have to answer all these questions correctly for me to open a unified trading account. You should please read this and understand exactly how this works before you go ahead and open a unified trading account. Alright, so what I will do right here is to submit my answer, and before I start, I would have to read all this. The most important thing you need to know is that you should make sure that you have no orders in your spot account and make sure that you have no active positions in your derivatives account. There are also various requirements before you can open a unified trading account. Alright, this right here has some few requirements. None of these should be active before opening a unified trading account. I will leave a link in the description of this video where you can read all these and understand exactly what you need to do before upgrading your account. So right now, I would have to continue and click on enable now. You would see that it shows failed to upgrade. You currently hold open position or active orders in USDT derivatives. And this is true because on this main account, I currently have open positions in my derivatives accounts. So right now, I cannot do this on my main account. I truly hope you've understood exactly how this works, what are the requirements, and how this can benefit you in your trading experience. How this works, as you can see, what you need to do is to upgrade to a unified trading account, and the next step is when you trade spot and derivatives under this account with a minimum trading volume of about $50,000 on perpetual contracts within 7 days, you would stand a chance to get a share of this amazing reward. And don't forget, there is also sign-up bonuses on Bybit when you use my link in the description of this video. I truly hope you've enjoyed this video, and if you did, you can please leave a thumbs up and try subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, you can please drop them in the comment section and I will try answer all your questions. This is going to be it for this video, and I will see you in the next video. Goodbye.